Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at different concepts from physics and maths. Let's talk about a concept from calculus. The concept is called even functions and odd functions. In the prior episodes, we have spoken in detail about what exactly a function is and some of its properties. So now let's look at its classification. We can have even functions as well as odd functions. So when do you call a function as even function? So if f of x is a function, then if you take function of minus of x, and if f of x is equal to f of minus x for all x, then it's called an even function. For example, look at the function cos of x. Even if you take cos of pi by 2 or cos of minus pi by 2, it is one and the same value. So f of x is equal to f of minus x. Similarly, take the power function and any even power. So it could be x square, x raised to 4, x raised to 6, x raised to 8 and so on and so forth. All of these are even functions because you can put any value here. Say if x is 3 square, then minus x is minus 3. So minus 3 square. Both are 9. 3 square as well as minus 3 whole square. So it's an even function. Now you would realize that this is in fact symmetry about the y-axis. Just now we spoke about x being 3 and minus 3 and the value of f of x being 9. Try to visualize these 2 points in the coordinate or in the plane. So if you have x and y axis, the point x f of x, that is 3, 9, where is it going to lie? It will lie in the first quadrant, while the other point minus 3, 9 will lie in the second quadrant, and distance of these 2 points will be from the y-axis is going to be equal. In fact, it's like a reflection symmetry. Even if you plot the graph of any of these functions, you will realize the same idea. Now, if you add 2 even functions, say x square and x raised to 4, it will again lead you to an even function. Again, try putting values here. So, if you put some values of x and minus x, see minus x square is again x square and minus x raised to 4 is again x raised to 4. So, their addition will automatically lead to an even function. Similarly, if you take a product, x square into x raised to 4, that is x raised to 6. So, which itself is an even function. So, again here it is holding. Now, there are some more properties. If you take difference, say mod of x raised to 8 minus mod of x. Mod of x, please notice it's an even function. Because if you take mod of 3, it will be 3 and mod of minus 3 is also 3. So f of x is equal to f of minus x. This difference is going to be an even function. Even if you divide an even function by another even function, say x raised to 6 divided by x raised to 2, it's x raised to 4, again an even function. Similarly, composition of even function will also be an even function. Now, important property is the derivative of an even function is an odd function. So, take a function say cos of x, take its derivative. Derivative of cos of x is minus sin x. So, it is an odd function. Similarly, derivative of x square is 2x. So, again, it is an odd function because if you put x again, as I said, put values, x is 3 square and minus 3 square is equal. So that was an even function. But if you put 3 and minus 3 here, it is going to give you odd. The f of x is going to be equal to f of minus x or minus of f of minus x. So in fact, we are going to learn about odd functions as well. So this is going to be an odd function. So derivative of An even function like cos x is minus of sin x, which is an odd function, and similarly derivative of an even function x square is 2x, which is an odd function. So this is about even functions. Thank you.